Hey Jay, Scott Hoke from Meekum Auctions along with Tim and Pam Wellborn.
Thank you.
And we are here at the MCACN show in Chicago. Terrific show, and we just wanted to say, get well soon, our best for a speedy recovery, and we hope to see you again very, very soon.
And we wanted to extend a special invitation to you on your trip, scheduled trip, January the 9th. I know you're going to be in Auburn, Alabama, War Eagle, and please come to the Welborn Musco Car Museum and see Tim and I there. We would love to have you there.
We really would love you to come by. We've talked on the phone through the years, but never actually met, but we would love to do that. So we're going to extend it to you. Please give us a call and let's do it.
Get well.
Get well soon.
Hi Jay, Jim Reinhardt from Rhino Par LLC. A few years back I got you that beautiful copper 68 GTS that you have in your collection. Just want to wish you a speedy recovery and hope to see you at some more shows next time out at the Spring Fling in California. Have a good one.
Hey Jay, Ian from Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. We just wanted to wish you a get well soon message here and hope to see you at the event sometime.
Hey Jay, this is Bob Ashton from Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals. Hoping for the very best for you. Want to see you back out there on the road real soon.